Good morning, everyone. Happy, I guess today's Wednesday. You'll probably see this on a Thursday. So happy whatever day it is for you. I just am taking a second to sort of say hi and good morning. My husband and daughter just left about 15 minutes ago. Oh God, the lighting's bad. Hold on. Maybe I can get something on the TV to light up the room a little more. My husband and daughter just left a little bit ago. And so I'm just sitting here on the couch, taking a moment before I have to wake up the babby. I turned the light on in her room, so she's probably awake. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if YouTube will have something I can pop on. Background light. Background music. Now, let's see. White background. That's a little better. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I'll turn this away. Okay, that's a wee bit better. Let's see. I don't know, that white is just so stark, you know, looking at my face. It's 10 hours of white background. That's crazy. Let's see. Golden hour background. Oh, that's a little better. Again, 10 hours of it. Because, you know, in case you can't hit the pause button, I don't know. Just hit pause. Who knows? Yeah, so good morning, everyone. Now let's try that again. Now that I have some light in here. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, the family's left for the day, and I have a moment before I have to get the baby up. So if I don't get her up now, she doesn't take a nap in time for me to pick up my daughter. So that's always fun, and I've got to refill her WIC stuff today. We get formula and baby food. So I'll have to do that today. And yeah. It's just one of those mornings. I woke up. She actually woke up like 2 or 3 times last night. Not really crying, just sort of fussing. Like, it's one of those things where she wakes up, and I'm certain this is what it is. Because it's not like this intense crying. It's not like she's totally freaked out. It's just like she's woken up, it's dark, she can't see, and she's lost her Bengay. And so she's got to feel around in the dark to find it. I don't know if she does, but I don't, when it's that kind of cry, it's not this intense, I'm freaked out sort of cry. It's just sort of like a But it's enough to wake you up on the monitor, you know, and you just sort of sit there for a few minutes going, I'm just going to wait and see if she goes back to sleep. And she does. She always does. But, of course, you know, your sleep has been disrupted 2 or 3 times, and you're shot that morning. So I'm stick a fork in me. I'm done already, and it's not even 7 o'clock yet. So I made myself a cup of coffee, and I made the wrong kind. I made the pumpkin spice, and I wanted the maple flavor this morning. That's okay. I like pumpkin spice. But I was just thinking, what is it about a warm sip of coffee that just soothes the soul? I mean, I just sit here and I'm just like, oh, that's good stuff. That really is good stuff. And I don't know why. It's just, like, I'll sit here with her while she's drinking her bottle, and I'm like, Mommy's going to have her coffee too. Yeah, I meant to have the maple, which is sort of a shock when you're expecting one flavor and you get something totally different. But yeah, so anybody else feel that way? Like, oh God, coffee is just like heaven sent. It is a gift from God, truly, truly. Coffee is, you know, I know, what was it, Benjamin Franklin said beer is proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy. No, it's coffee. Coffee is proof of that for me. So, alrighty, we'll talk to you later. If I have anything else to say today, I will say it. But yeah, I'm looking good this morning. Yeah, this is me doing anything. I don't really do anything. I brush my hair. That's about it. I don't do makeup. You're not gonna come here and find like beauty tutorials. It's not gonna happen. I might do Halloween makeup, but that's about it. No beauty tutorials. I ain't that kind of gal. My husband doesn't like makeup anyway. It's like the one person I would wear makeup for, and he doesn't really like it. So he thinks it makes women look plastic, and then I tend to agree. But you know, done right, it just smooths out your skin tone. I do have like foundation and stuff, like if I'm gonna go someplace where I know pictures are gonna be taken. But yeah, I don't do that sort of stuff. I'm not gonna teach you how to contour or anything like that. But we will talk to you a little later.